Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Pocket FM app not working. If the Pocket FM app is not opening, loading or keeps crashing, you can try this troubleshooting step. First, you need to check your internet connection. You can go to your notifications bar in the top right and check for your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can simply toggle off and toggle on to your Wi-Fi connection, or you can also switch between the mobile data here as well under your cellular data. You can restart the Pocket FM app. Once you open the Pocket FM app, close the app completely from your recent app list and reopen the Pocket FM and check if it works properly. Or you can also update the app. You can go to your app store and over here you can look for the Pocket FM and install any available updates. If you find updates icon here, you can simply tap onto this update for the updated version of the Pocket FM. And that is it. This is how you can fix the Pocket FM app not working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.